Hello guys, me again. This time with a deluxe edition of this amazingly nice LED headbands. This one I did a short review of. You can see it over here. And now I have bought myself the deluxe version with a case. Look at this. Inside the deluxe version you get an LED band with not one but 3 rows of LEDs, and also 2 LEDs in this torch. We'll get back to that. What was included in this deluxe kit is this. It's a USB-C charging cable, USB-C charger, which looks very like a Samsung, which is not, because it weighs nothing. So I don't know if there is something inside. But it's working, I have tested. And then you also have this car cigarette lighter USB stick. I will provide the links for it up here as well, so you can check it out and you can see the different prices for the different, because you can only buy this if you don't want the deluxe. But with the deluxe case and the box, it's almost nothing. It's almost the same price as without. But let's take a look at this band. Let's see if you can see that on the camera. You can see this. It's 3 dots of LEDs compared to the first one I bought, which only has 1 row of LEDs. It works the same as the other one. If you have seen this video, it is an on-off button and a sensor button. And the sensor, yeah, you got it. If you turn off the sensor, there is no LED. On this one, there was a LED which changes to green, red-green when you activate the sensor. This one, no light. And it has a rubber protected USB. Let's see if we can open that. Then we can see it. Yes, the working method is the same as for the one. You press once, you get maximum power. You get the second maximum, step 2, and then you get a red one. So the LED strip in the middle is red. So only the top and the bottom one is the light. And then you have the flashing. And then you go to the torch with the 2 LEDs. And this is 6000 Kelvin, I think. And this one is a 3000 Kelvin, or maybe even warmer, 2700 Kelvin. And then off. Nice, huh? I have already tested it. I used it in my car here the other day when I was doing some work on the taillight, and I found this small lamp very excellent, because this one gives a very wide spread of light, which also is excellent. But when you're working in a tight place, then this one came to use. Fantastic. Let's test it in the dark room and see how it looks. Okay, pitch black. Let's start with the new one. This is still how it looks like with the maximum output. There are 2 LED strips lighting up. Maximum output, medium, and then you have the red one. Yes, very nice, eh? And then they have the blinking effect on the LED, red. Then you have the torch with the 4000 Kelvin. And here we have the 2700, I guess. And then off again. Then we can test the old one, which is then on maximum, medium, and the torch with the 4000 Kelvin. And the torch has also 2 steps. And off. And let's power them on both. So if I put this one away, is that possible? And then this one away. Can we see the difference? This one is the dual LED and this one is the single LED. I can't really tell if there is. Looks like the dual one is worse than the single one. Almost the same. Yeah. Then we go to the next, which is the torch. And this one as well. 1, 2, 3. There we have it. This is the dual torch, dual LED. Oh, it's not possible to see on the camera. This is the single LED. Dual, single, dual, single. Yes, and this one also has let's see if I can make it again. Single one, dual one. Looks like 2700 Kelvin. Yeah. Okay, there you have it. Dual and single. Dual row and single row LEDs. Both same flexible, excellent, no resistance at all. You can bend it as you like. Yeah. That's it, guys. That's all for me this time. 3-row LED with dual chip on the side. This clip was made by this setup. It's an Sony ZV1 with a Rode video microphone. This is an excellent setup. Highly recommend it. I also used the Ulanzi MT11 bracket tripod and this Ulanzi bracket and a quick release system. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.